how to grow on Pinterest. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video, we have listed 5 key ways to grow your presence on the platform. So let's get started. Number 1, optimize your profile. First, start off by creating a complete and professional Pinterest profile. Use a clear profile picture and write a compelling bio that includes relevant keywords. This will help users find and identify your brand or content. Number 2, create high-quality pins. Design eye-catching and informative pins. Use high-resolution images, engaging graphics, and readable text. Consistency in branding and aesthetics across your pins can also help build recognition. Number 3, keyword research. Conduct keyword research to understand what terms and phrases your target audience is searching for on Pinterest. Incorporate these keywords into your pin descriptions, titles, and board names to improve discoverability. Number 4, pin regularly. Consistency is crucial on Pinterest. Pin regularly to keep your content in front of your audience. A mix of new and repinned content can help keep your profile active. And now last but not the least, engage with the community. Actively engage with other Pinterest users by liking, commenting, and repinning content from others in your niche. Building relationships and being a part of the Pinterest community can increase your visibility. And that's it. But remember that Pinterest is a platform where visual and aesthetic matters a lot. So focus on creating visually appealing content that resonates with your target audience. So these were the 5 key ways to grow your presence on the Pinterest platform. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.